Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming 2 quick prerequisites. Your Apple Watch is paired, and you've set a watch passcode. Once those are ready, open the iPhone Watch app and tap Wallet and Apple Pay to add a card. You're not doing the full phone setup now, you're actively adding payment methods, so have the physical card, bank app, or a clear photo at hand. This speeds verification and avoids interruptions. Make sure iPhone and watch are near each other as you proceed. Once you tap Add Card, choose debit or credit and follow the prompts to capture the card with your camera or type details manually. You'll accept your bank's terms, then complete verification, often via SMS, bank app notification, or phone call. After verification, set a default card for payments, and if you use public transit, add an express transit card so you can tap without authentication. Keep both devices nearby. Verification messages typically arrive to your iPhone first. To pay, double-click the side button, swipe to the card, then hold the watch within a few centimeters of the contactless reader until you feel a tap and hear a beep. You can also store boarding passes and rewards, open Wallet and swipe to select. If something fails, restart your watch first, then make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, your iPhone is nearby, and Watch OS is up to date. If needed, remove and re-add the card after contacting your bank for verification help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.